Hello YouTube, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a rapid fire hack for Call of Duty World at War. This hack uses knowledge of assembly, which I won't cover in great depth. I plan to make videos soon that cover that information in more detail. It took me a long time actually to create this hack, so if you're trying to create this on your own games, just be patient, it's a slow process. So you're going to want to open up Cheat Engine in Call of Duty World at War. Attach Cheat Engine to the game. Load the associated table. Make sure under settings and debugger options you're using the VEH debugger under debugger method. Otherwise it probably won't work. For the solo game you can select Nazi zombies and go turn off the sound real fast. Nazi zombies rise. To do this, we want to find out what accesses our ammo address, or our clip. We'll right click and find out what accesses this address. Take a shot, take 2 shots, click stop, and you can pause the game if you want. Alright, yeah. So we have all these instructions. What I had to do was go through several of these until I found this one right here. I had to go through several of these, searching through the assembly and just right clicking and noping, replacing with code that does nothing. Lots of the jumps and calls throughout. So I'd just take a shot and then go over to the assembly, and for instance I'd right click and replace that with code that does nothing, and I'd take a shot, see if that changed anything, and it didn't change anything. So then I'd scroll down a bit, replace something this with code that does nothing, take a shot, still is working fine. And I just kept doing that process over and over, mostly with the jumps, and then compares sometimes, and then calls. Other than that, it's sort of a confusing process. But I can show you, so we're pretty close. This is the address I found. Oh, let's die. So it makes this call right here. Start a new game. And it was a little bit farther down from where we started. Not too much farther. But if I take a shot right now, it's slow. If I replace this one with code that does nothing, I go through my clip right away. Look, my ammo's almost gone. A lot of ammo now. So this works great if you have the unlimited ammo hack. Well, if I had some ammo, right, we'll get another gun. There we go. No decrement on ammo, and we have unlimited, or rapid fire. Alright, so we're gonna go and start Visual Studio. We can close out a cheat engine. I have the address saved on the side. It'd be the same if you're playing Call of Duty. It should be the same, but it's just that slow process. So don't save anything. Open up Visual Studio. We're gonna create a new project. We're gonna call it Call of Duty World at War Rapid Fire. Click OK. Click Next. Check empty project and check security development lifecycle checks. Click Finish. We're going to add a source file. Source.cpp. We need a couple of libraries. We need to include Windows.h, IOStream, and help32h. We need to define the process name. We need to find the pull rate. The ammo rapid fire base address, which again it took a really long time for me to find it, but it's just doing that sequence of steps I told you, and then eventually you'll end up replacing it with no operation code that will do this rapid fire thing. If you want a video that goes into more depth, I can try to make another video. Just leave a comment in the leave a comment, and I'll try to make a video. But it's pretty slow and tedious process. Alright, you need a function, get process ID, by process name. We're going to want to right click on our project, go down to properties, go to general under configuration properties, and character set, double click on so it says multi-byte character set, click OK. I'm going to search for process name. Okay, clean up resources. Next thing I write main. And you get the handle to the game. Open the process. Check if a valid handle is obtained. And write process memory. Oh, whoopsies. Should be rapid fire. I'll start a new instance of the game. Solo, mission select, Nazi zombies, rise. Alright, take 2 shots, normal, press F9. And now you're going through your clip faster than you can reload. That's about it. I do want to show you real fast how I got the opcodes. I realized I forgot to cover that. So open up Cheat Engine, attach the Cheat Engine to the game, load the associated table, right click on clip, find out what accesses this address, click yes, resume the game. Be really slow. Here. Oh, yeah, good. I could restart a level. Alright. Find out what accesses this address, take a few shots, then click stop. Show disassembler. And we're actually going to have us jump to the call. See, it's no operation code right now. If we press F9, it'll go back. Oh, there we go. And so you right click and copy to clipboard, bytes only, and then you go to something like Notepad and you paste all these bytes, and then you put a space at the start, go down to edit, replace a space with \x, replace all, then you have the opcode, and then the one that does no operation is just 0x90 repeated with the same length. And then to get the length of this is just count how many of these x's there are, which is 5. So that's about it. Let me know if you have questions. I'll try to cover assembly in more depth in another tutorial. Yeah, thanks for watching.